Hello, Assalamu Alaikum guys. I'm Alaikum. Welcome to my channel on English with Alaikum. I hope you're all good. Today we're gonna talk about the use of in and on for transport, okay? We're gonna learn how to use in and on when we talk about transport, okay? So as you can see on the board, we have few words on the board, like the first one say car, taxi, van, trucks and more, okay? And the other one ship, train, bus, horses, bicycle, motorbike and more, okay? How to figure it out, okay? We need to figure out when to use in, when to use on, okay? And one thing, in and on, what are they? They are prepositions, okay? In and on, there are prepositions, okay? And they are one of the hardest things to learn, okay? In English language, okay? They aren't easy. Even the native would have problems to use sometime, okay? So just don't think that you are the only people having problem using them, okay? So it says car, taxi, van, trucks and more, okay? You know a car, okay? Car is a car, has a door, okay? So what happens once when you open the car? You just sit, okay? You don't have to walk in the car, okay? Just remember this, okay? Because sometimes people would explain it to you as a public transport or a private transport. They would say, whenever you think about public transport, use on, and whenever you think about a private transport, use and. Okay, they may be right, but not all the time. But I'll teach you, in this video, I'll teach you the easiest way to remember, okay? Even way better than the public and private transport, okay? And think about it now. Car is a small thing, it's a small vehicle. Once when you open the door of the car, okay, you just sit. You don't need to walk in the car to find your seat, okay? The first thing, remember it. Taxi, the same thing you do. The taxi does arrive. What you do? You open the door, and you sit in it, okay? You don't have to walk. Van, the same thing. You open the door. You don't need to walk, okay? The truck, the same thing, okay? And there are a few more, okay? So whenever we talk about a vehicle that has a door and we open the door and we just sit on a chair, okay, we use the word in, we don't say on, okay? So for these kind of transport, we use the word in. I'll say to you, oh yeah, Jen, I'm in a taxi. Sorry, I can't talk to you, I'm in a taxi. So me telling him, I'm in a taxi, I can't talk, okay? Or, sorry, I'm driving, I'm in a car with my family, I can't talk, okay? Same, same truck, I can say to you, I saw Jane in the truck the other day, or some other vehicles as well, same as van, okay? Because once when you open the door, you just, you have a chair, you open the door, you get into it, that's it, okay? And that's why, okay, we say, I'm in a taxi. Once when you get into a taxi, you say, you're entering into a taxi. Once when you're getting out of a taxi, you say, I'm getting out of a taxi, okay? Okay, the other thing is ship, train, bus, okay? Remember, ship is a big, huge thing. So once when you're on a ship, you have to find a place for yourself. So you have to walk. Because a big, huge thing. It's not that you enter onto ship and then you just find your seat. No, that doesn't happen. Same for train, buses, airplanes, all these big vehicles. As soon as you enter onto them, okay, what happens then? Once you're on the boat, you have to walk, okay, to find your seat, okay? But in a car, taxi, van, trucks, you can't do that, okay? So when we talk about ship, truck, buses, and the other vehicles like that, which are big, huge, we use the word on, okay? So now we talk about horse, bicycle, motorbikes, and so many other vehicles like that, Okay, horse, but they are used for transport anyway. Horse doesn't have a door, so you have to climb over it and you have to sit on it, okay? Same happened with bicycle, no door. You have to sit on it. Motorbike, the same thing. So these are, okay, horse, bicycle, motorbike, these are one of those transport that we have to sit on it. So that's why it doesn't matter whether public or private, we don't care about it. We just use the word on, okay? I hope you have understood me, okay? Okay, what are we going to do? We're just going to do a bit of, exercise and see after that, okay? Okay, now the first one. I'm driving and Jane is with me dash the car, okay? Let's suppose someone phones you, okay, and they ask you, where are you? And what are you up to? You say, I'm driving and Jane is with me dash the car. Okay, the car, small vehicle, okay? So what happens when you open the door? You just find a seat, just sit in it, okay? So we say, I'm driving and Jane is with me in the car, okay? We don't say on the car here, remember it, okay? Because the car is a small vehicle. As soon as you get in, you can't walk. You just, you know, you have a seat, you just sit on it, okay? So I'm in the car. Number two, okay? One can say, okay, I was shipped when you rang, okay? So I was dash a ship when you rang, okay? So ship, you know, a bigger transport, okay? Compared to a car. And once when you're on a ship, you have to walk. You can walk, more room there. So we say, I was on a ship when you rang, okay? Same as. Okay, I can't talk. Okay. I can't talk. I am plane, okay? So say, sorry, I can't talk. I am dash a plane. What does it mean? That I can't talk. I am on a plane. So just remember, once when you talk about big vehicles, that once when you are on it, you have to walk to find a place, or even if you don't have to, but there's a room to walk, okay? And so we use the word on, but once when we talk about the vehicles where we can't walk inside, we use the word in, okay? I hope it might have, you know, clear some of your doubts on how to use in and on. But if you do find it hard to understand, you can, you know, write it on the comments below, and I'll try to make another video on it then, okay? And what I should say to you, look after yourself and have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.